Good morning. U.S. stock futures were trading higher on Wednesday as investors wait testimony from Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke on the economy. We're also expecting a report to show stronger existing home sales, and it is a big day for earnings. Lowe's, unfortunately, though, is down over 3% after reporting weaker than expected quarterly profits. They say they were hurt by colder than usual weather at the start of the spring selling season and strong competition from Home Depot. Home Depot didn't seem to have the same problem with the weather that Lowe's did. Lowe's said their earnings rose to $540 million or 49 cents a share. That is versus $527 million or 43 cents a share a year ago. Analysts were expecting a profit of 51 cents a share. Now, Home Depot beat Lowe's on almost every metric. Home Depot, as you know, has always focused on the contractor side of the business, while Lowe's is focused on the consumer, and that seems to be hurting them now. Toll Brothers doesn't seem to be suffering from the rainy weather blues like Lowe's. Toll Brothers posted a 46% rise in quarterly profit as the largest U.S. luxury home builder sold more homes at higher prices, indicating that the housing recovery is spreading across the industry. The stock is up almost 2.5% in early trading. Now, Toll said its quarterly earnings were the highest in 7 years. New orders rose 35% to 1,753 homes. The value of these orders jumped 57% to $1.19 billion. Toll Brothers said that its average selling price increased 3.6% to $577,000 per home. Compare that to a year ago. Well, Target's not having as good of a morning as Toll Brothers. Target said that their first quarter came in at 70 cents a share or $1.05 ex items. That's versus analysts who were expecting 87 cents a share. Revenue for the quarter came in at $16.6 billion. Again, analysts thought it was going to be $16.82 billion. The CEO said Target's first quarter earnings were below expectations as a result of softer than expected sales, particularly in apparel and other seasonal and weather sensitive categories. There we go, blame it on the rain again. He says while we are disappointed in our first quarter performance, we remain confident in our strategy and we continue to invest in initiatives including Canada, our digital channels, and City Target that will drive Target's long-term growth. Ouch, when the CEO even says that he's disappointed in the first quarter, you know it is not good. And that's what's happening before the opening bell. I'm Deborah Borchardt. Good luck trading.